Hi everyone! My name is Mary and this is my son Boomer. Boomer, say hello to your viewers! Hi! So today we're gonna be unboxing this brand new Crane 2 by Zhiyun. Let's see what we got in here. We'll open this box. We'll put this box on this side for now. So the first one we have here is the strap. Let's see. We have the anti-slip grip case. And we also have the quick start guide. I like it that it comes with the hard shell case. Oh, this is beautiful. So far, I'm liking it. And let's open this bad boy. Oh, wow. This is it, guys. First, we have the battery charger. It comes with 3 battery packs. I mean, 3 pieces of batteries. The mini tripod. Very nice. Before we get to this gimbal, let's see what they have in here. And here they have the micro USB cords for your cameras. It's already been provided. And this little guy, this is pretty neat. I like the case. It feels like a basket. Let's see what's inside. Oh, this is the follow focus. Very, very neat. It's a bit heavy. And this little, I think this is the support for this little follow focus guy. And on the other side, they have this little things, I don't know what you call that. And they have the wrench. And they also have this little micro USB thing, the connector. And this guy. Whew. Here comes the gimbal. Oh my god. Ooh, shit. Did I just break it? Oh my god, this is heavy. This is huge, man. Wow, very, very beautiful. I'll show you the box, I mean the case. This is beautiful. Oh my god. Shit. I can't believe it. Oh, it's huge. It's very, very huge. The handle is huge. There you go, guys. The gimbal's right here. I'm not gonna be doing the balancing right now because I heard that it's very, very, complicated if you're a first timer. So I might do it on my next video. So I'll upload it very, very soon. There you go. It's finished. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.